matter too much to me.
Hey! Today I'm going to be doing a very classic glam. It's gonna be very beautiful smoky eye, dewy skin, and yeah, let's just get into this tutorial. I'm first going to be priming my face. Everything will be linked down below. Kind of just moisturizing. I really want my skin looking really dewy. Now that I moisturize, I'm going to be priming. My skin will be ready for this full glam. I'll just be applying my foundation right on my face. Be concealing my under eyes and just highlighting.
Just too young for you. But you tell that I can do what girls their age could do. Oh babe, let me love you down.
Now I'll just be contouring my face with my cream contour kit. I'm going to be taking the shade and just applying it on my cheekbones and everywhere where I want to contour, like my forehead.
Even if it's so nice, let me love you down. You know it's so right. Oh.
Now I'll just be setting my concealer with a little bit of setting powder. I will let that sit for a bit. Now that I set my concealer, I'm also going to be setting my contour with a little bit of bronzer. To bring back a little bit of color in my cheeks, I'll just be applying some blush. I'll put a little bit on my nose because I love that look. Just looks very youthful and cute. I'm just blending that powder in. I just set my face to keep this all locked in place, and I'm going to be moving on to eyebrows. And I'm just going to be filling mine in.
You know it's so right. Let me love you down.
Okay, now that I'm done with my brows, I'm just going to be hydrating my lips a little bit because I'm going to be moving on to my eyes. So I'll just be putting a little bit of lip balm. So I just applied some concealer on my lids just to act as a primer for the shadows that I'm going to be using. And of course I also have to set that with a little bit of setting powder. And now for the eyes, I'm going to be taking a warm transition color and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. Now I'm really going to take my time with this and blend each shadow out as much as I can. I want it to be very seamless and just blended. Now to make this look a little bit more darker, I'm just going to be taking a very dark brown and I'm going to be blending this very, very well because it is a big transition from the previous shade, as you can see. To really blend this out, I'm going to be switching between a clean brush and my other blending brush, just so it's completely blended out. I'm going to to be moving on to something more dark. I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow right here from another palette, but I am going to be blending it very slowly and gonna take my time because it's a very intense shadow. I'm going to be taking all of the shadows I used in the order I used them and just applying them on my lower lash line. So I'm almost done with this eye look. I'm just going to be putting some black eyeliner on my waterline. I'll be curling my lashes and I'm going to be applying some mascara next. I'm not sure if I want to wear falsies or not. I think it's a pretty intense look, so I think I won't. Now the eye look is done, I'm going to be finishing off my face with some highlighter and just applying that everywhere where I need a little bit more glow.
It never really mattered too much to me.
I don't know if I want to put any lipstick on now. I don't know, I really love this look, but do I want to do this? Okay. Now that I'm looking at this look, I think I'm just gonna be going on with a little bit of a nude. Well, this is actually a little bit more mauve-y, but I'm going to be blending this out with my fingers. Now that I got a little bit of color in my lips, I'm going to be putting a lip balm on top, and it's going to make it look very glossy. So finally, to finish off this look, I'm going to be spritzing my face with some setting spray and let that dry. I should probably take this out. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and turn on the post notification bell. I post every week, so I hope to see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!
I wanna love you, down. Let me love you, I wanna love you, down.